this video, guys, we're going to look on how to actually use ADX to identify consolidation in the market. Now, this question has come to me through a subscriber of mine that wanted to know exactly how to use consolidation to is there any indicator that anyone can use to identify consolidation in the market to avoid when the market is moving sideways. Ranging market can be so destructive because if you are being caught on a ranging market, it's so destructive. Let's say a trade that you are supposed to be done on 15 minutes to 1 hour, and it will take you nearly complete whole day or two or even weeks. You're going to be caught in that consolidation, moving up down like that. But in this video, I will show you exactly how you can use an indicator which is 100% free to identify consolidation in the market. This is one of the most asked questions, and I think I will be settling that question in this video. And if today is the first time you are here, please I beg you to subscribe to this channel. You can see the channel is growing, and like this video, because why? If you like, YouTube is going to promote the video to as many people as possible, because if you like this video, that's signal to YouTube that this video is very important, and they will recommend this video to as many people as possible. And also don't forget to share. Now, without wasting of your time, let's quickly go and add this indicator here. We're on chart of Euro USD 1 hour time frame. Let me show you what you need to do quickly, and come here to indicator. Click on this indicator. I want you to come to average directional movement index. In case you don't see it here, it's a trend indicator. Come to trend and come here. You're going to see the indicator number 2 is called the average directional movement index. You're going to click on it and come back here. That's the way I do these settings. Under the parameter, just leave the setting default, the period default. The start, you can change the color, because I changed the color, and I also changed the line width. Okay, and for the positive DI, I go ahead and select none. And then for the negative DI, I also select none. And then I move to the level, and under the level, I change the color to black and change the line type, and I also change the line width to line width number 2. And I click on add, and I added level 25. And after you have done this, click on OK. Boom. Now that I have this indicator added to my chart, and it depends on the time frame you're going to be using to trade this to trade your forex market altogether. This indicator is only to show you when there's consolidation in the market. You don't use it for anything much. For me, I don't use it for anything much. Now you can see I'm on the 1 hour time frame. So let's assume you want to trade on the 5-minute time frame. You can quickly move to your 5-minute time frame and do whatever you need to do. I know you'll be wondering how I was able to stretch my MT5 like trading view. I know many of you don't know MT5 have this feature like trading view that you can stretch your chart as to any length you want. And all you need to do to get these features, right click and head over straight to properties. Click on properties, and all you have to do to come to common section of it and make sure you check this box called scale fix. Okay, once you click on this box, click on OK. Okay, so that's how it is. Now you are going to see a line here. It's a black line close to your price, and you can see the line is moving. If I drag my chart up or down. Now to expand your chart, hover your mouse on the price space and then hold down, click it, and then drag it up or down to stretch your chart to any level you want. So at least you have learned another new thing today in this video. So if this actually make you happy, you can please go ahead and like this video and subscribe as well. So now if you see what is happening here, we have a problem here. Now if the ADX line go below 25, that is consolidation in the market. Believe me, this is exactly how this thing interpreted. That's a consolidation in the market. If you go below 25, that's a serious consolidation. And if this line, you can see the line here, this is the blue line I'm talking about. It is below 25, which is level 25 of the ADX. So the market is consolidating. Stay away from the market at that time. But if the line is above 25 like this, believe me, there's a volatility in the market. The market is moving. The market will have a defined trend. Okay, the market will have a defined trend. Now there's another pattern of consolidation here, and this is what I call pool of liquidity. Not really consolidation. For me, it's a liquidity. Why? Because ADX is still above level 25. It's not yet below level 25. Okay, so this is one thing I want you to understand. There's difference between consolidation and then when liquidity is forming. Liquidity also behave like consolidation because it move up and down and mostly sideways. Now if I drag this chart up, you're going to understand something here. Now you're going to see that we have the ADX above level 25 and the trend dropped very fast, and I think market open again, we see a gap, and look at how the market can skyrocket one direction. Because why? ADX is already above 25 and the market moved significantly. If you pay attention here, you're going to see that we have something here. We have ADX here. You see that? ADX is below 25, which is the blue line of the ADX below 25. And if you see what happened here, it's clear that. And if you see here, you're going to see the ADX, you can see the price, the line is moving, the price is moving sideways, and the ADX also is moving, is already below 25, and then the price is moving sideways. This is how easy for you to identify consolidation and to stay away from consolidation and to make crazy amount of money every single day. And for me, I love it because it shows me exactly what I'm looking for. Again and again and again, this is how to stay away from consolidation big time. I've been using this for a very long time and it helped me a lot. Look at this market. It has a direction, right? There's no consolidation here. The market has a defined direction. All this area here on the 5-minute time frame, the market are having direction, not consolidating. But here we're going to see we have consolidation here. Let me just mark it out for you to see. If I drag this here down to this extent, you're going to see we have a consolidation. From here, market moves sideways and ADX is now below level 25. Super simple, right? So this is how to avoid consolidation. It's a simple video and I want you to understand that, yeah, you can actually avoid consolidation big time by using this ADX. And if nobody told you this before, you are learning this in today's video. Look at this. Here we have consolidation, and if you check very well, you can see it's super obvious that the market is moving sideways, and it will help you to avoid trading at that moment. Now, what I do most of the time is that if I'm already on a trade and the market moved to consolidation, I don't know when the market will be out of that consolidation. What I do most, I close my trade with minimal losses, or I can close some few positions and leave other few positions working. Okay, that's how it is. Now you can see ADX has clean momentum, and look at what happened. And Euro USD buys significantly that day, that hour, that minute. Beautiful. You can see market is having direction because ADX is above. Now when ADX is below like this, you see consolidation sideways. Market start moving sideways. Look at another consolidation here. We see consolidation from here to here, and you can see ADX is below line 25. And this is how simple and easy to identify consolidation in the market. I don't know if you have derived any value from this wonderful video, but if you do, I'll be very, very happy if you can drop a like in this video and subscribe to this channel, and you can share this video with family and friends. It will help me a lot. Thank you once again for your time. I really appreciate you sitting back here to watch this wonderful video to the end. Hopefully I'll see you guys on the next one, but until then I want to say bye.